super exciting to be here. The energy is amazing. When we decided that we were really going to be a technology company, we decided if we were going to be and commit to technology and really think about where our future was, we had to be at CES.
So we're wide open these days to any technology, any opportunity, any service model that will help humans become more mobile, more effective in the vertical dimension.
I absolutely love what we're trying to do and push the boundaries. To some degree, this CES is kind of the culmination of what we did this past year to show off to the world what we have done, at least with the Nexus, designing an all-electric vehicle, making sure it works, as well as the digital infrastructure that we have behind it, the Arrows.
This year, we brought a new concept specifically designed for urban mobility applications, and with that, we brought an urban application, a Bell City, where you can see these aircraft at work with the full infrastructure behind them of a fleet operation system, AirOS.
This is not a demonstration just to be pretty, this is a demonstration of technical capability.
What happens here is it's not just something that people see, it is so experiential that people come here and have an emotional connection to it.
We have been inspired by Bell's vision and their capability penetrating into this urban air mobility market.
I have to say that I was stunned into silence to see the smart city and to see all of it come together in such an enormous way. It's unbelievable.
It's totally awesome that we get to come to a show as big as this and show the creativity of Bell to the world.